Every company in our industry sits on a massive amount of data: sales opportunities, installed devices, service history, contracts, invoices. But finding answers is still slow and painful. People search in multiple systems, build spreadsheets, and ask colleagues, and decision gets delayed. This is exactly why we built Healtek for business analysis. It's our AI assistant that understands your entire business. You can ask simple questions like which customers have upcoming preventive maintenance and open quotes, or show all ultrasound units out of warranty. In seconds, you get clear, accurate answers based on live data across your whole company. The result? Your people save hours each week. Reporting becomes effortless, and your leadership team makes faster, smarter decisions with total clarity. This is the end of data chaos and the beginning of AI-driven decision-making for medical device companies.